Artificial intelligence, AI, is changing the employment landscape and is predicted to cause significant disruption in a variety of sectors. Insights from trusted sources such as the World Economic Forum, WEF, PricewaterhouseCoopers, PwC, and Goldman Sachs paint a complete picture of upcoming changes. The WEF estimates that 85 million jobs worldwide will be replaced by AI by 2025, and PwC estimates that approximately 30% of all jobs could be automated by the mid-1930s. Massive. Furthermore, Goldman Sachs predicts that an incredible 300 million jobs will be replaced. Recent data provides interesting insights into who will be most affected by AI-driven employment changes. Contrary to popular belief, research suggests that women may be at higher risk of displacement than men. Additionally, certain racial and ethnic groups, particularly Asians, are expected to bear the brunt of automation. Educational level also plays a role, with those with a bachelor's degree considered to be particularly at risk. McKinsey predicts that approximately 14% of the global workforce could need to change jobs by 2030 due to advances in digitization, robotics, and AI. Pew Research Center data further supports this, showing that different populations have different levels of exposure to AI. Men, women, whites, blacks, Hispanics, and Asians are all at different levels of risk, with Asians considered to be the most vulnerable population. Educational level also affects her susceptibility to AI destruction, with those with a bachelor's degree at the highest risk of redeployment. This finding challenges the notion that higher education guarantees automation resistance and highlights the need for continuous skill development and adaptation. Examining the types of jobs most likely to be automated provides valuable insight into the nature of AI-induced disruption. Occupations such as customer service representatives, receptionists, accountants, salespeople, and warehouse workers are most at risk. Conversely, jobs that require complex interpersonal relationships, creativity, and critical thinking include B. Education, law, and medicine are less susceptible to automation. However, further developments in AI pose challenges to traditional thinking about job security. For example, the emergence of deepfake technology has raised questions about the future of professions such as teaching, where AI-generated content could replace human educators. Similarly, advances in AI-driven content creation could revolutionize industries that rely on human creativity, such as film and music production. Nevertheless, certain occupations are considered less susceptible to automation. Lawyers, judges, directors, managers, CEOs, human resource managers, psychologists, psychiatrists, surgeons, computer systems analysts, and artists may remain relatively isolated from AI-related disruptions, at least in the short term. It is expected the advent of AI is not only revolutionizing industries, but also creating a paradigm shift in the skills needed. The World Economic Forum is committed to advancing the following: creative and analytical thinking, technical ability, curiosity, resilience, flexibility, systems thinking, AI and big data skills, motivation, self-awareness, talent management, and service orientation. Highlights 10 important skills. While the World Economic Forum's list highlights important skills, gaps such as problem-solving and teamwork suggest a potential shift in workforce dynamics. The focus is on individual capabilities, leading to a trend toward remote work and independent contributions rather than collaborative environments. This change is leading to a consideration of how the workplace will evolve, with a focus on autonomy as well as the ability to solve complex problems and collaborate effectively. As conditions change, adaptability will be paramount, and meeting the challenges of an AI-driven future will require a combination of individual skills and collective synergy. The growing demand for AI professionals is opening up lucrative career opportunities for those with the necessary expertise. Jobs such as machine learning engineer, AI engineer, data scientist, computer vision engineer, and natural language processing engineer are among the highest paying jobs in the industry. We are also recruiting deep learning engineers, AI researchers, business development managers, AI product managers, and AI consultants. Given that the impact of AI is pervasive across all industries, professionals in these fields are well equipped to take advantage of the numerous opportunities, drive innovation, and shape the path of technological progress in the years to come. Equipped with. Given these advances, individuals must proactively prepare their careers for the future. By staying abreast of technological advancements and market trends, individuals can position themselves as an essential asset in the workforce. Among the challenges and uncertainties of AI lie opportunities for growth, innovation, and personal development. By seizing these opportunities, developing the necessary skills, and embracing change, individuals can thrive in her AI-driven economy. This includes not only adapting to technological change, but also fostering creativity, resilience, and agility. By harnessing the potential of AI and using it to their advantage, individuals can pursue fulfilling career paths, make meaningful contributions to society, and continually advance in an environment where innovation is the currency of success. The impact of AI on employment and skills is wide-ranging and requires nuanced understanding and proactive responses. By staying ahead of the curve and adapting to new trends, individuals can overcome challenges and take advantage of the opportunities presented by the AI revolution. Through continuous learning, creativity, and resilience, individuals can thrive in an ever-evolving work environment.